On this quiet night that invites the heart to sing, I feel the raindrops like a melody that's unforgettable. Each drop reminds me of an unspoken longing. Behind the window, I gaze at the cloudy sky. Rain pours heavily, bringing old memories. You and I together under a blue umbrella, as if there was no end, there was only us. Yet now you're far away, embraced by the wind. All the promises we once carved, erased by time, stay in my heart, even if just in a shadow. This longing will last forever, like the tireless rain. Oh rain, carry this longing to them, and tell them my heart still longs. Every drop is a real roof. The love that once was remains until forever. Time passes by, but this longing never fades. And every lonely night I hope you're by my side. Rain comes again, whispering your name in the breeze. You're always here, even if only in my dreams. Yeah, now you're far away, embraced by the wind. All the promises we once carved, erased by time, stay in my heart, even if just in a shadow. This longing will last forever, like the tireless rain. Oh rain, carry this longing to them, tell them my heart still longs. Every drop is a real roof. The love that once was remains until forever. This longing never fades. In every lonely night I hope you're by my side. The rain comes again, whispering your name in the breeze. You're always here, even if only in my dreams. Oh rain, carry this longing to them, tell them my heart still longs. Every drop is a real proof. The love that once was remains until forever. On this quiet night that invites the heart to stay, I feel the raindrops like a melody that's